Hello, myself Rohini. I am taking care of business development activities in northern region of Mapai India Private Limited. Today we will talk about Mapai's waterproofing system for terraces. As we all know, terraces are subjected to various types of deformations due to thermal and dynamic stresses, leads to shrinkages and cracks. The waterproofing layer should possess high performance characteristics. Not only it must have the capacity to guarantee of the waterproofing, it must also increase the durability of the structure and follow it when it deforms. In holistic approach of terraces waterproofing application, we should always give attention towards detailing, drain channels, fillet joints, etc. Mapai offers a complete waterproofing system for this approach of doing waterproofing system for terraces. So let's talk about now waterproofing. Terrace waterproofing comprises of different layers. So first, surface preparation and then priming of the substrate. So primer 3296 is the very good universal primer which gives a strong penetration action for consolidation the surfaces. Then waterproofing layer of Mapelastic Smart, a two-component highly flexible cementitious waterproofing having elongation of 120% and crack bridging ability of 2.8 mm at 20 degrees Celsius. Initial bond strength of 1.2 MPa and UV resistant. It makes it very recommended for the terraces. Then after, in between the two coatings of Mapelastic Smart, the use of Mapetexcel, the unique fabric structure of non-woven PP fiber, which significantly improves the performance of Mapelastic Smart with respect to toughness, crack bridging up to 3 mm and the puncture resistance. Then for dealing the corner joints, Mapai gives a vapor, water and alkali resistant rubber tape named as Mapeband H20 with fabric edging and having a very good tensile strength of 2 MPa. Then if we talk about all the drainage holes and all the bore packing, then our swellable sealant Mapeproof Swell and non-shrinkable grout Mapegrout T40 gives a very good watertight solutions for these types of penetrations. Further, if we talk about the finishes of the terraces, if we are looking for the tiles installation, Mapai recommends C2TE S1 adhesive Caraflex Maxi S1 and RG epoxy grout Carapoxy for this treatment. And in the expansion joints treatment, we always give Mapeflex PU 45. In the end, we conclude that a selection of the quality, high performance waterproofing system with excellent quality parameters for the terraces are the need of the hour. Mapai systems are committed to give these desired solutions with proven results. Thank you.